might not be necessary for some people. You guys probably like, I just see you blow drying your hair, so what's the big deal? So basically what I'm doing this part is blow drying the back down to flatten it out. When you're wearing a full lace wig, sometimes the full lace wig will actually be really bulky in the back section. So putting the blow dryer down and pressing it in the back will actually help you go in and flatten out the surface in the back so you don't have that bulky look. That I usually do it in like about all my videos, but for this one I specifically did it in the perimeter area just because this is a wig that I'm not tinting or I'm not doing anything to customize the scalp. So this one I have to go in and add the powder directly on the perimeter and go in personally because I want it to look as realistic as possible. So what I am doing now is going back in and actually pulling some hair out of the back side because I realized that it was still too bulky in the front, and that's the thing with 613 hair. You'll never be able to really see it that well until you go in and start pulling hair out. With black hair, you can actually always see, you know, what you're doing and, you know, how far you're going into the tweezing. But when it comes to 613 hair, you have to kind of take your time with this because the follicles are so tiny and it kind of melts so well into this cap that you will kind of not be able to see anything. People, so this is the finished look of this unit. So I am coming back to you guys 3 days later because I wanted to kind of wear this wig for about 3 days to kind of give you guys an overall view or a good review on this unit. So this unit was sent to me from ChinaLaceWigs.com and I did do an Ash Blonde customization on this. I do have several videos on my YouTube channel on customizing your units to Ash Blonde. So I am going to link those in the card. So if you click the card, you'll see a whole rundown of those Ash Blonde customizations that I've done. So this one, I decided not to do roots at all. So for this one, I just used a box tie and I just put the box down the hair. So I'm going to repeat this one more time because for some reason, this like one line gets lost in translation. People just don't understand it. So basically what I used a 613 full lace wig. I purchased 4 box dyes from Walmart in the color number 60 dark ash blonde from Revlon Color Silks. I used 4 boxes of dye and I saturated the 613 26-inch long full lace wig with 4 box dyes. Okay guys, 4 box dyes of number 60 dark ash blonde. So I'm going to repeat this again. I used 4 boxes of the dark ash blonde number 60 from Revlon Color Silks to achieve this color. Every time I say this, for some reason people just don't understand it. It's very simple, and that's why I didn't want to add that part into the video in the beginning of the video, because it's so redundant and I keep doing that over and over again and get asked the same question. What did you do? What did you use? How did you get that color? So I'm going to repeat it one more time. I used 4 boxes of the number 60 dark ash blonde. I applied that on the full lace wig, and this is the color I got after. This is the end result. So this was very simple. I will leave the color down below. So I used 4 boxes of the same dye, number 60. I saturated the hair for about an hour. I kind of forgot about it and just left it hanging there. You can leave it on for the 30 minutes that's recommended on that box, but it's an ash tone color anyway, so coming off of a 613 color going to ash blonde is going to happen like that. So you don't have to leave it on for an hour. I just left it on for an hour because I kind of forgot about it. So this is the color that I got. It is super ashy compared to the 613, which I really like. This time I just didn't do the roots this time because I wanted to just have it go like a natural flow through. It's really hard to get this, especially if you don't tint the lace. So for me, I just don't tint the lace because I don't know how to tint the lace. So for the ones that don't know how to tint lace, you can just use a Maybelline loose fit powder. Maybelline Fit Me Press powder. It's a loose powder that I use on my scalp. It's my face powder. So all I do is just use that powder and I go in and kind of, you know, make it into a tinted look. Like I said, I don't know how to tint. I'm learning. I don't want to mess the wig up, so I find easier ways to get the job done and make it still look natural without going in for an extra process. So overall, this unit is very nice. One major thing that I hate about this unit is that it sheds. Now, I'm going to order the fray block, and I'm going to try to spray the inner part of the cap just to see if I can get it to you know, come off of that shedding. Like I said this in all my videos, hair sheds all the time. There's really no, you know, there's not one company that I've ever received that doesn't shed, but this is so annoying because this is a full lace wig, so, you know, the more this is gonna shed, the more it's gonna get thinner and thinner. But overall, I think this is really nice. I didn't like the 26 inches because you guys know how 26 inches is. If it's long and the 613 is 26 inches, it's gonna be thinner at the end, so I just went in and snipped it. I did a light wave, and then I just straightened the ends out. I like that kind of like put together look, but then kind of like simple at the end. So that's what I did. So I'll stand up and show you guys the length, and I'll turn around and show you guys the back so you guys kind of get an overview on what it looks like overall. You can do a plethora of styles with this. You can do half up, half down. You can do like split down the middle, do 2 cornrows. So you can style this up to like anything. It's full lace, so you can do just about anything with this one, which is exactly why I freaking love this. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from ChinaLaceWigs.com. Do not forget guys to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.